Hello, let's chat about the benefits of cloud computing in detail. We're going to go through 5 different ways that cloud computing is epic. So let's not waste any time and let's jump straight into it. What are the 5 key benefits of cloud computing? Number one, speed and agility. Cloud services are available almost instantly, which means that you can set them up really, really quickly. You don't have to wait to order in any hardware. You can just click a few buttons and you're up and running in no time at all. This means that you can launch applications and deploy them faster, and you have a faster cycle when it comes to development and innovation. Number two is scalability and elasticity. Cloud computing offers a lot of scalability, which is the ability to grow, and elasticity, which is the ability to expand your services to whatever you need. This flexible usage of different resources means that applications can actually scale and shrink depending on demand, so that applications aren't going to get overloaded and crash. No one likes that. And you've got a very smooth handling of any peaks or troughs in your application's traffic. Number three is economies of scale. Cloud providers like AWS operate at a huge scale, which means that for us, we're kind of getting all of these different services at a bulk discount price. This means that businesses can avoid any hefty upfront costs that would come with building all of this from scratch. And instead, you're kind of just buying it in bulk from AWS. Number four is global reach. AWS has data centers all over the world, which means that you can actually access all of the services that AWS has faster because they have a data center, which is essentially a whole bunch of servers and things that are physically closer to you. And you might think, well, why do physical things matter? We're talking about the cloud and the internet. Well, at the end of the day, the internet is a bunch of cables that runs, under the ocean. And the longer the cable, the more time it's going to take for a service to get to you. So if you have data centers that are very close to you, then it means that you're going to be able to use and access the apps and the services faster. And same for your customers. Finally, it's high availability. Cloud services like AWS are designed to have high availability, which just means that they're going to keep running 24/7 no matter what. Backup systems and plans are already in place with AWS. There's heaps of different services that are just about backing up and making sure that if anything goes wrong with whatever you're trying to run or build, that there's always a backup that's going to keep it going. So, in summary, we have speed and agility, scalability and elasticity, economies of scale, global reach, and high availability. These are all awesome benefits of cloud computing, and I hope that they show a little bit about why it's so popular and why it's really, really useful for you to actually be learning these things. This is definitely not going anywhere, and I can't imagine us going back to kind of the old system anytime soon. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video.